So, hello guys, and this is IIOPME here, and today I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to get root. So first, you want to go to your browser and type in towelroot.com and go, and you will go to this site, and and you want to click on this L stuff, and you want to click OK. I'll click cancel because I already downloaded it and installed it. So yeah. So once you have installed that, you want to go to Play Store and search for Super SU, and you want to download it. I already downloaded it. So no. So yeah, once you have downloaded that two stuff, you want to go to your towel root and click on Make It Rain. This will pop up if you didn't failed. So yeah, you want to go to Super SU, and if you want to update it, just click continue. If you don't want to, just click cancel. Okay, and that's how you get root. And I want to show you guys that I have root. Okay, and that really works. So bye guys, and see you later.